So this is our big living space area. So this is our very spacious and luxurious kitchen. So this is our very spacious and luxurious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Oriana World, which is located near Bhumkar Chowk Road, Ashok Nagar, Tathawade, Pune, and is developed by Balaji Builders. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and then in front of the sales office you get the Bhumkar Chowk Road, जो आपको लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करता है आंध्रा विद BRTS रोड से, और राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे से. Now, before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 4 acres of land parcel which will be having 5 towers, in which you will be getting 2 basement plus ground plus podium plus 25 floors, in which you will be getting 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location of this project. This project is located near Bhumkar Chowk Road, Ashok Nagar, Tathawade, Pune, जिसमें मेरे राइट साइड पे है इस प्रोजेक्ट का सेल्स ऑफिस, और सेल्स ऑफिस के सामने आपको मिल जाता है भूमकर चौक रोड. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे विच इज 750 मीटर्स अवे, Zudio which is 1.8 kilometers away, and Bhumkar Chowk which is 2.9 kilometers away. Now let me tell you about the amenities this project provides you with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has over 50 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, senior citizen sit-out area, kids play area and multi-purpose court. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK sample flat which has 1151 square feet carpet area. So, this is the entrance of our flat, where just at the entrance you get a digital door lock to your main door. And this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up your decorative items or shoe rack. Now let us check out our living and dining space. So this is our big and very beautiful and very unique living space area. But this is where you get your couch setup space, and then this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. Now let us check out our dining space. So this is our dining space which you get just in front of your kitchen of the flat, where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is our very spacious and luxurious kitchen, where you get 2 granite platforms parallel to each other, and you also get a sink attached to it. You also get a dry balcony attached to your kitchen, where you can set up your washing machine and utilities, and you also get a window attached at your dry balcony for ventilation and natural lighting. And then this is where you get your refrigerator setup space. You also get a space to set up your ovens. Now let us check out the first bedroom of this flat. So this is our first bedroom of the flat, which is a kid's bedroom. As you can see, you get walking space here, and then you get your bed setup space here. You also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting, and you get your wardrobe setup space here. Now let us check out the second bedroom of this flat. But before we check that out, let me also show you that you get a common wash basin and a common washroom in front of your second bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is a second bedroom where you get a walking space here and you also get a desk setup space here. You also get your bed setup space here and you get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And then you get your wardrobe setup space here. You also get an attached washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now, before we check out our third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now, let us check out our third bedroom. Before I show you the bedroom, let me tell you that you get an attached master washroom just at the entrance of your bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is a very spacious and luxurious master bedroom where you get a lot of walking space here and you get your bed setup space here. You also get your wardrobe and desk setup space here, and then you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Oriana World, which is located near Bhumkar Chowk Road, Ashoknagar, Tathawade, Pune, and is developed by Balaji Builders. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.